I don't know whether it's me or what, but I feel like Itonga creators have run out of ideas now. I mean, I can't even finish an episode recently, so I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before going to the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I've been noticing that people are complaining about Itonga's recent plots. I actually defended the show when people started saying that this show is boring and that the creators are out of ideas. You know, one person was complaining about Pablo's character, to be specific, and his storyline of the protection fees and stuff, which kept me wondering. Pablo was a millionaire, getting millions from tenders, and made sure that poor people of his community were well taken care of. Now, what changed? Why would a millionaire go out there and demand 3,000 rands weekly from people who barely make that money in 1 month? I, for one, actually think that this plot was a mess. I'm not even sure whether they cannot see that it's not working, or there are people who are busy telling them that this thing is beautiful and they are loving it. This Sama and Banele thing, you know, I've never hated a character that is played by Bongo Khoza before. Never. This is actually his first character that I think was not, well, let me just say, was not well written or well characterized. And as I've mentioned before, I created so many videos defending this show, but recently I think I'm agreeing with everyone who believes that this show has taken a very boring turn. I think that part when we should just learn from Enima that dragging storylines is no longer a thing now. A plot should only last for 10 episodes, then come up with a new one, developing from the old one. But then, guys, you are still probably having fun with the way this show is unfolding. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed or understand content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know, not TikTok. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.